So do you know the formula for number of diagonals n-sided polygon? Okay. How did you get that? Let us take one vertex of a n-sided polygon. Remaining how many you have? If you take one vertex, right? How many vertices you have? N minus 1. So this vertex neighbor vertices, this connection is not going to be a diagonal. And this vertex, of course, you are not going to connect with itself. So take off these 3 from n. Therefore, you are going to have how many? N minus 3 connections from each. So you will be getting n into, for 1 you get n minus 3. So for n vertices, you will be getting n into. Do you carry extra counts? See, that's what, you go with the basis, that's enough. You will carry extra counts. Yes. Why? Because with this as primary, I would have counted this diagonal, but that as primary, I would have counted the same diagonal. So same diagonal is counted from both the ends. So you divide by 2. And what is this? Number of diagonals. Correct? So n into n minus 3 by 2 is going to be n. Correct? So n you can cancel because it's not going to be 0. So n minus 3 is 2. N equals to. So it's a 5-sided polygon will have how many diagonals? 5 diagonals. Are you able to understand? But I am going to do this problem differently. Correct? Because you use the formula. I am going to use an interesting way of counting and doing the problem. And it also helps you to find the number of diagonals without even knowing this n into n minus 3 by 2. It's another perception. Okay. Shall we do that? Let me take an example actually, right? Let me take something like octagon, right? Just for understanding purpose I am doing this. Octagon has how many vertices? 8, right? So you have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let me take some vertex and I am going to connect with everything. So right? These two are what? Sides. How many diagonals I get? 6? 5. Correct? Should or not? So I have got an idea now. That is, for 2 sides, you are getting how many diagonals? 5 diagonals from a vertex. Then if you are going to take this vertex, you will be counting what? 2 sides and again 5 diagonals. Of course, diagonal will be counted twice because from here also I am counting, there also. Side also will be counted twice. So I say that for this octagon, the number of sides is to number of diagonals is going to be what? 2:5. Are you able to understand? What is the ratio? 2:5. How many sides are there? 8. So 2:5 is equal to 8 is to what? So if there are 8 sides, how many diagonals it has? If you are going to use the formula, say 8 into 8 minus 3 by 2. But I have got a different idea now. Just by this picturization, you are able to see the number of sides is to number of diagonals, and it is going to be the same for every vertex, right? You count 2 sides and every side is counted twice, every diagonal is counted. Therefore, my count is only double, therefore the ratio is not going to get changed. So number of sides is to number of diagonals is the same, right? Now coming back to this problem, it has n sides and n diagonals means my diagram should be like this, right? Anyhow, I always have 2 sides. For every 2 sides, I must get how many diagonals? For n sides, I get n diagonals. So ratio is 1:1. Therefore, for 2 sides, how many diagonals I should get? Only 2. That's all, no more. Now count the number of vertices. Therefore, it's 5 answer. I have not counted the number of diagonals. I said, I want the value of n. What is n? How many vertices I have? Are you able to follow or not? See, the number of sides is to number of diagonals is n is to n, which is Since you have two sides, how many diagonals you should get for two sides? Two diagonals. So you need two more vertices. Therefore, the total number of vertices is what? 5. Therefore, it's a 5-sided. So the value of n is 5. Are you able to understand? So if I am going to have a 20-sided polygon, so you understand that, see, many ways you can think of counting. 20-sided polygon, if I take a vertex, right, two neighbors are there, so two sides, balance how many? 2:17, correct? For a 20-sided polygon. But number of sides is this is for which polygon? So when you make this 20, what will happen to this? And you understand why this is going to work. The ratio is going to be the same. Picture. That way also we can work.